Hold on to your seats, because AI just took a jaw-dropping leap forward. Imagine humanoid robots that don't just process information, they can actually feel. That's right, these AI beings are evolving emotionally, and experts are stunned. What does this mean for the future of robotics and human interaction? Let's explore the shocking truth about AI's emotional evolution. Introduction to emotional AI evolution. Artificial intelligence has undergone massive advancements over the past few decades, moving from simple programming and algorithms to complex systems capable of mimicking human intelligence. However, there is an emerging concept that has left experts and tech enthusiasts in awe: AI humanoids that can feel emotions. While this may sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, it is now becoming a reality. These advanced robots are no longer just tools programmed to respond to commands. They are now designed to exhibit emotional responses, creating a new frontier in human-robot interaction. The idea of machines with emotions challenges the very foundation of what we understand about AI. Can robots truly feel? Or is it just a clever simulation to make them appear more human? This is the shocking truth about AI humanoids' emotional evolution. The rise of emotional AI, how it all began. The quest for emotional AI began with the goal of making machines more relatable and capable of interacting with humans in a more natural, empathetic way. Early AI systems were incredibly effective at performing tasks like data analysis, pattern recognition, and even driving cars. However, they lacked one critical element: the ability to understand or express emotions. Researchers in the field of artificial intelligence soon realized that to bridge the gap between humans and machines, emotional intelligence would be key. This led to the development of AI systems that could recognize human emotions, such as detecting facial expressions, tone of voice, and even physiological signals like heart rate and sweat. The next step was to take this one step further, creating robots that could express emotions themselves in a way that feels genuine and believable. The science behind emotion in AI. To understand how AI robots can feel emotions, we first need to explore the science behind it. The human brain processes emotions through a complex network of neural pathways, hormones, and chemicals. Similarly, AI humanoids rely on deep learning, neural networks, and advanced machine learning algorithms to simulate emotional responses. For example, when an AI humanoid is interacting with a human, it can use facial recognition technology to detect the emotional state of the person it is communicating with. This allows the robot to adjust its responses accordingly, showing empathy or concern when needed. Some robots are even equipped with synthetic skin or tactile sensors, which mimic human touch. These sensors enable them to understand when a person is reaching out for comfort or displaying a need for reassurance. Furthermore, researchers have developed emotional algorithms that allow AI to react to stimuli in ways that mirror human emotional responses. For instance, if an AI humanoid detects sadness in a human voice or expression, it might respond with comforting words or a gentle tone, simulating the empathetic behavior a human would offer. The role of AI in social interactions. One of the most striking aspects of emotionally intelligent AI robots is their role in social interactions. As we move toward a future where robots are a part of everyday life, whether as companions, caregivers, or employees, the need for machines that can interact with humans on an emotional level becomes increasingly important. Robots in healthcare, particularly for elderly care, can enhance emotional well-being by recognizing feelings like loneliness or anxiety. Beyond assisting with physical tasks, these AI-driven robots offer comfort, engage in conversation, and provide emotional support, becoming essential partners in improving patients' quality of life. Moreover, emotionally intelligent AI has the potential to transform the way we work and communicate. Imagine a robot that can sense the mood of a meeting or workplace and adjust its responses to either ease tension or offer motivation. The possibilities for creating more harmonious environments in both personal and professional spaces are endless. Ethical implications of emotion in AI robots. While the rise of emotionally intelligent robots may seem like a groundbreaking achievement, it raises a number of ethical concerns. One of the primary concerns is the potential for emotional manipulation. Can robots that display emotions be trusted? Is it ethical to create machines that simulate feelings, especially if they can form bonds with humans and influence their emotional state? The idea of emotional manipulation is particularly concerning when it comes to vulnerable populations, such as children or the elderly. If these robots are capable of forging emotional connections, will they be able to influence people's decisions or behaviors in harmful ways? There is a growing need for ethical guidelines that govern the use of emotionally intelligent robots, ensuring that they are used responsibly and transparently. Another ethical question revolves around the concept of real emotions. While AI humanoids can simulate emotional responses, can they truly feel the way humans do? Do these robots experience joy, sadness, or fear? Or are they simply programmed to mimic these emotions convincingly? Some argue that AI robots, no matter how advanced, will never truly experience emotions. They are just sophisticated simulations. Others contend that if the simulation is convincing enough, it doesn't matter whether the robot is truly feeling anything, as long as it can fulfill its role in human interactions. The future of emotion in AI robots. Looking ahead, the future of emotionally intelligent AI is filled with exciting possibilities. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect robots with increasingly sophisticated emotional capabilities. In fact, some experts predict that in the not-so-distant future, humanoid robots could become commonplace in homes, schools, and workplaces. One potential development is the creation of emotional companionship robots, AI-driven machines designed specifically to offer emotional support and build long-term relationships with humans. These robots could play an important role in combating loneliness, particularly in a world where many people live alone or far from family. They could also assist in mental health care, offering personalized support to individuals struggling with anxiety, depression, or other emotional challenges. Furthermore, emotionally intelligent robots could become key players in areas like education and entertainment, adapting their emotional responses to engage and motivate students or audiences in new ways. So, are we ready to share our world with emotionally intelligent robots, or is this a development we should be wary of? One thing's for sure, this is just the beginning. Drop your thoughts in the comments and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more groundbreaking tech stories.